Hi, my name's Maria, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize a new table on data.census.gov in calculating the population density of an area. The GEOINFO table can be used to view land and water area in square meters and miles, and the latitude and longitude of the internal geographic point. We plan to release a new vintage of this table each year. Now let me show you how to calculate the population density of a geography using the GEOINFO table found in data.census.gov. Let's get started. For my first example, I want to use data from our Population Estimates Program, or PEP. Since there are very few PEP tables on data.census.gov, I'm going to navigate to the PEP datasets through the census.gov homepage. For this example, we're going to find the 2023 population total for Jacksonville City, Florida. To get started, type in census.gov into your web browser. Hover over the Surveys and Programs header and select Population Estimates. Select the Data button on the left side of the screen. Then navigate to the heading that says Population and Housing Unit Estimates Tables. This will provide the available PEP data tables. Let's look at the tables from the 2023 vintage. To find the total population for Jacksonville, select the city and town population totals 2020 to 2023. Once you reach the city and town tables, scroll down to the heading for incorporated places. This section will provide population totals by state in an Excel file. Select Florida to trigger the download, and then open the downloaded PEP table in Excel. This table provides data for cities and towns in alphabetical order, so you can either scroll through the file or use the find function to search for Jacksonville. This table provides 2020 to 2023 estimates, so the 2023 estimate is provided on the right side of the table. We can see that the total population estimate is 985,843. Keep that number in mind while we find the geographic information for Jacksonville. Now we can go to data.census.gov. In a new tab, type data.census.gov into the browser. For this example, we can use the single search bar and type in GEOINFO Jacksonville. Hit the magnifying glass icon or enter to complete your search. The GEOINFO table will be the only one that appears in the table list, and if we open it, we can see that it shows geographic information for Jacksonville City. We can see that the land area in square miles is 747.261. Now I'll open the calculator on my computer to find the population density, which is the total population divided by the land area. When I make this calculation, I can see that there are approximately 1,319 people per square mile in Jacksonville. For our second example, we can use data from the American Community Survey directly on data.census.gov. For this example, let's use a selected census tract from King County in Washington. To start this search, go to data.census.gov and navigate to the advanced search. Under the geography filter, select Census Tract, Washington, and then King County, Washington. Finally, click on the checkbox next to Census Tract 57, King County, Washington. Again, we'll need a total population table to find the population density for the tract, so I'll navigate to the Populations and People filter under the Topics section. Select Counts, Estimates, and Projections, and click on the checkbox next to Population Total. Then click on the Search button on the bottom right corner of the screen. Table B01003 provides the total population estimates from the American Community Survey. The data in this table is from the 2022 5-year estimates. We can see that the estimated total population is 6,483 people. Keep that number in mind as we go to the GEOINFO table. In the left-hand filter panel, click on the X found on the population total filter chip to remove it from the search. Under the Survey section, select Geography, and then click on the checkbox next to the Geography Information label. This is how you access the GEOINFO table through the filter panel. Click on the X in the upper right corner of the panel to close it and update the table. We can see that the land area is 1.964 square miles. So, to calculate the population density, we'll again divide the total population by the total land area in square miles. I'll use my computer calculator again to make this calculation. I can see that there are approximately 3,301 people per square mile in the census tract. As you can see, the GEOINFO table allows you to quickly find the land and water areas for different geographies, making it much easier to calculate the population density. I hope that this video tutorial has helped you in understanding the new GEOINFO table in data.census.gov and how to utilize it with other census tables found in the site. For more guidance, please visit our resources page at the link provided below. Thank you.